If you want to change language on your iPhone 17, what you need to do is open Settings. Next, we're gonna go to General, and then in the General Settings, scroll down in order to find Language and Region. And over here we have preferred languages. You might have certain languages already added. So if you change the order and if you put a language at the top of this list, then that language can be used as the language on your phone. So for example, I can switch to Arabic over here, and then of course I need to press continue in order to apply the language on the phone. If there is a language missing on this list, you can press add language in order to choose a new language that should be used. So we can, for example, choose the English United Kingdom, and then you can choose if you want to set it as the primary language so you can have this language applied on your phone. If that's the case, then of course choose the new language over here from these buttons. If not, then of course you can stay with the one that you already use. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.